Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things crypto. Today, we're going to talk about the best crypto exchanges in Australia, with a focus on 3 lesser-known exchanges, Bingx, Bitget, and Bybit. These exchanges may not be as well known as some of the more established platforms, but they offer unique features and benefits that are worth considering. In this video, we'll go through each exchange and their features, as well as provide links to their sign-up pages so you can try them out for yourself. Bingx is a new crypto exchange that launched in 2021. The exchange offers over 40 cryptocurrencies to trade with including popular options such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Bingx has a low trading fee of 0.1% and offers a variety of payment methods, including bank transfer, Poly, and PayID. The exchange also offers a mobile app for convenient trading on the go. Bitget is a global crypto exchange that recently expanded to the Australian market. The exchange offers over 100 cryptocurrencies to trade with including popular options such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. Bitget has a low trading fee of 0.045% and offers advanced trading tools for experienced traders. The exchange also offers a mobile app and 24/7 customer support. Bybit is a popular crypto exchange that offers leverage trading for experienced traders. The exchange offers over 50 cryptocurrencies to trade with including popular options such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. Bybit has a low trading fee of 0.075% and offers up to 100x leverage for certain cryptocurrencies. The exchange also offers a mobile app and 24/7 customer support. I have a link to summarize all the best cryptocurrency exchanges under the description and comment for you. There you have it, 3 of the best crypto exchanges in Australia that you may not have heard of before. As always, it's important to do your own research and find an exchange that suits your trading needs. Remember to always invest what you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more crypto content. Thanks for watching.